Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add the card details, edit and manage the saved cards in your Chrome app on your Android phone. Right now I can open this page. This is the dummy page which I will going to be using, and to add a new card information, what you can do is you can tap on this three dot options, go to settings, and within the settings under the password manager you have this payment methods. Select that and you need to enable this option at this first, which is save and fill the payment method. And you can also save the security codes if you want, or if you can disable and manually verify every time you pay the card using autofill. So you can just enable this checkbox. So once you enable this checkbox, just tap on this add cards and enter the card number that you have. You can even use the scan new card option, where it will be allowing you to scan the card. If you do not want to scan this card, you can enter the details here. So I have entered the dummy details here, and I can just tap on this done command to save the card. So the card is saved. Now let me get back to the dummy page and refresh this page. So once it is reloaded, what you can do is I can just tap on this card number, and it is asking me to autofill the payment info, which is already saved. So I can just tap on this continue, and it will verify and then see the card information, the details have been autofilled. So if you want to edit these details, what you can do is you can again go back to the settings, and within the settings go to payment method and choose the saved card. Verify yourself using the PIN or the Face ID. Once you are here, you can just modify the details, like instead of photo I want photo, and save this, and once it is done, and based on your changes, the card will be saved. So this way you can edit the details, and if you do not want the card to be saved or it has been expired, then you can open that card in the editor mode. You can have this option for delete. Just tap on it and select the delete command, and it will delete. So you can add multiple cards and choose from the available list of cards, and based on that payment can be processed. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.